welcome. This video will be very short, and in this video I'll be talking about how to handle minimum order quantities. The real thing there is, in Alibaba, sellers have known that some customers will love to please by saying, "Hello, please, can I buy 10 items? Can I buy 2 items as a sample? Then when I come back, I will buy in larger quantities." They have received tons of these messages every day, so they all know whatever you want to tell them. So it depends on how the sellers perceive you, or depends on how they feel at that particular time. If they feel like, okay, let's just give this guy this chance, then you're lucky. But if they don't really do that, they can tell you, no, we don't do that. Our minimum order quantity is this, our MOQ is that. So your play can't do anything about it. So in this particular product, it has 4 minimum order quantity sets. It has from 2 to 49 pieces or sets, 50 to 199 and thereabouts. So in this particular product, you're free to buy at least two sets. You're free to buy at least 2 sets. So you have the provision to buy a minimum of 2 items. In this particular place also, if you're lucky enough, this seller can give you 2 pieces. This seller can give you 2 pieces. Since it is a trading company, you may be lucky enough for them to give you 2 pieces as a sample. Or sometimes if you ask them for sample, they may charge you like up to $10 as a sample. So, but they cannot give you 1 piece, and they can give you 2 pieces, but they cannot give you 1 piece. So if you can contact them through this or through here, explain to them that you need to see the quality of the product before you can buy in bulk. And finally, in this particular scenario, you can never get anything less than 100 pieces. They may pity you for 50 pieces, but for 2, 10, 20 they cannot, because they are manufacturers. They are strict in the way they do their businesses. And when you check on this is a trading platform, and they can give you the lowest you need. This place also, they are trading companies, they can give you the lowest you need. But in this guy can never shift anything, because they manufacture the stuff, they sell to people that buy in box and not people that buy in pieces. So you have to know what you have to do. Talking to manufacturers, pleading for them to send this stuff won't do any good. The best option is for you to find other sellers that will sell to you at minimum order quantity, or you can look for other products that are of the same specification or of the same quality. You can see a lot of products on Alibaba that have the same thing but different sellers. You have the choice to look for manufacturers. You have your choice to look for sellers that can go with your own idea or can go with your own budget. So in the next video, I will walk you through on how to start your order after you must have contacted the seller and after you must have gotten all you needed. Then the next thing is to make your order.